created this amazing mural for the store in ChatGPT. I posted it to Facebook. I got hundreds of comments. All of these amazing mural artists, they messaged me. We would love to paint this for you, and how much money would it be? What do you think about helping me paint the mural on the front of the building?
This week, I paint a jewelry armoire that somebody gifted me. Danielle and I go to a garage sale, and I found some amazing things at the thrift store. Bobby helps us build a wall. We discuss a $50,000 mural, and the new subscription box is off the charts.
He's building us a wall. Look at it. It looks so good.
I'm at my shop. I have to edit from the store because Carol is sick, Jenny is in Mexico, Rose doesn't get here until tomorrow, and this video has to go out today. Tomorrow is the cutoff date for the subscription box. I just want to make sure if you want to slide on in the last 24 hours and order it, you have to order it by midnight on the 31st if you want to get it. I think it's the best one ever.
The sofa looks a little scary, but that piece, I need to get out and see it closer. Wow, that's freaking gorgeous. Look at the detail. Oh no, I love it. And I have absolutely no room for it. I love the hardware, I love the insets. It's been raining, so the drawers are totally stuck. Goodbye, you beautiful, sexy thing. Somebody come get this. It has dovetail drawers too. It's really hard to walk away from that. If you're in San Diego and you're near the Consignment Classics in Encinitas, you should totally go get that. It's really good. All right, I am out here on the sidewalk taking a photo of the storefront because I want to do a big flower mural, and I'm trying to decide if I'm gonna have the courage to do it or if I'm gonna hire an artist. I have a whole Pinterest board of mural ideas with flowers and things, and I kind of want to do it, but I kind of think that's unrealistic for all the time I have.
Somebody gifted me this amazing jewelry armoire. I never like to paint these because there's so many details and you have to paint the inside too, and it's like painting two pieces of furniture instead of one. But this was a really generous gift. It had been staring at me and calling my name, so I've decided to finally get to it. I had Carol put a base coat of cowgirl coral on it. If you want to blend, putting a base coat on first and letting that sit for 24 hours will make blending so much easier. I am using Love Language, White Swan, and Walk on Water to start my ombre gradient blend going down the front of the dresser.
Grandpa has been helping with many projects lately. Let's see what he's up to right now. Dad, what are you doing?
I don't know.
Look at that. Look at me. Say hi to him.
Hi.
They're asking how you're doing all the time. All the comments are about how you are doing so much better. Bobby.
What?
What are you doing? What are you doing, Bobby?
I have no idea.
You're building a pony wall.
I don't know.
Now you're sounding like my dad.
Something to do with horses.
What are you doing?
We don't know. That's the problem.
Levi, what are you doing? Are you being condescending?
What? I'm in a hurry. I don't know what's going on.
He's building us a wall. Look at it. It looks so good.
My dad is showing big signs of improvement. The other thing is, I get grief in the comments every time I ask people, what are they doing? What else do you want me to say?
Levi, we made you a dog door. Bobby, what do you think of our new wall?
No paint for you.
I am back at my favorite thrift store, the one that no one in my family likes but me. I'm going in to see if there's anything new.
This thrift store has a premium section and the prices are usually pretty good. I found this hand knit sweater for $33 and I found this junk gypsy jacket with the tag still on for $38. Both of these items are for sale on our website. I have a harder time blending when a piece has a ton of drawers and details like this one. I am going to dry brush over the transitions to give it a more cohesive look. You want to get just a cheap chip brush, just a little bit of white paint. You want to rub that paint off on a paper towel so it's barely there, and then you just start hitting all of the edges, going all the way down the piece.
Okay, this is what it's looking like so far. It's too regular to me. I like where I added the green down here. The big news is that I made this amazing mural for the store in ChatGPT. I was so excited. I posted it to Facebook. I got hundreds of comments. Maybe, Ellie, you can screenshot some of those comments with suggestions and ideas. And I'm like, who can paint this for me? All of these amazing mural artists, they were tagged and they messaged me and they're like, we would love to paint this for you. And I was so excited. And then I asked how much money would it be? One wonderful artist agreed to do it for me at a discount, but that discount was $18,000 plus travel. And that was a really good price because after that, the quotes I got were much higher, like even as high as $50,000. So I want to show you why I want a good mural, because we're on this busy highway right here. This is Highway 101 and thousands of cars get stuck in traffic here. They drive by and this is the front. It's all, well, that's the boutique next door, but it's all just white with that awning and Levi. Let's go back to the shipping room. Dad, what do you think about helping me paint the mural on the front of the building? You can do it. If I trace the lines, all you have to do is fill it in like a coloring book. Shouldn't be that hard. What are you eating?
I don't know. It was something new.
All right. Well, we've got a lot on our to-do list today. You ready?
You're not serious, are you?
I'm totally serious. So I'm gonna try carrying that all the way through and I'll show you how I in the grocery store and look at this sunset. Also, I want to say that the new update to the iPhone is super irritating and annoying. I hate it when they update. I can never find anything. It took me like 5 minutes just to figure out how to do a video right now. But look at this. And this is my dinner, not the cheese, but the steak and veggies are under there. I know it's silly to complain about an iPhone update, but I feel like they purposely hide stuff to make it harder on you. Like, it's just so annoying. The buttons that I normally push are all hidden and you have to swipe left and right now, and all of my photos are organized, and when I can't find what I need, I'm probably just hungry. I want to eat my dinner.
We just finished our first year of the subscription box, and I want this year to be even better. So we are incorporating mixed media collage paper, and you're going to be getting 2 8x10 canvases along with the stencils. The most important thing about this subscription box is I want you to take the skills that you learn and be able to transfer them over to your home decor projects, furniture, and bigger pieces of art. So you get a private video from me. We use the stencils like training wheels. So we just use them to get the marks down, and then we hand paint over the top, because the hardest part is the composition and the scale. So if you would like this box, be sure and sign up before midnight tomorrow if you don't want to miss it. Link is in the description box and you can cancel at any time.
We are at the Rancho Coastal Humane Society and we decided to bring Sadie. Say hi. Hi.
She was a good companion, eyes like the Grand Canyon. She was an American beauty. She was a long goodbye. She was the best I lived by.
What'd you find?
I found a perfect tortilla, comal, because I've been dying to have more tortillas.
How much?
It's $7.
$7.
I know, right? What'd you get, Danielle?
Just a few nuggets.
Just a few things.
I think Debbie will like these. These are, I don't know what they are, but they're perfect and silver.
Really cute.
They're $10. And then there's 6 of them.
Okay, let's take a look together. Look at this. Saturdays are for thrifting. The green one is totally my favorite. I am keeping one of these for sure. I might just have to put this on right now. Saturdays are for thrifting. Now I am dry brushing with Salty Kiss in the same way that I did with White Swan. I'm also using a brayer and a spray bottle to get those marks to blend.
I think it's looking better. I want to be honest, I hate painting these things. I ended up hating one that I painted a while ago. I painted over it a couple of times, and then somebody gave me this, and I was like, I don't want to do one of those again. But I just did the top, and I like how it looks. I'm going to show you what I did.
So I took Eden and a couple other shades of green and I just smacked it on the side. I used the water bottle and the brayer and I rolled it on for interesting texture.
So this is how far I've gotten on the sofa. I hope I can finish it today in time for the video. We started painting this wall. Levi is here to help, and so is my dad. Carol is homesick. I need to finish this, but this is the kind of thing that I obsess over, so I think I'm just gonna put a coat of Big Top on it, and then I can come back later and add other stuff if I want to. I still need to finish it. Levi, you left your baby out here. You gonna get it? Where are you gonna take it? Where are you going? Where are you going with it? What are you gonna do?
I have to go out there and change the mannequins. I have been trying to do this for weeks now, but it's really hard because they're old vintage mannequins and I wrestle with them every time. I'd like to put some of my thrift store clothes on them because we've got really cute one-of-a-kind things, but whenever we put something on the mannequin, people want to try it on. And that it literally takes an hour to get it on and redressed because I had to have vintage mannequins. They're bitchy. I'm just going to tell you right now. But anyway, let me show you what I'm going to put. This cute dress. I own this dress. I love it. It's 100% cotton. We just got these denim jackets in. I love denim jackets, but they have to have stretch in them. And this one has like this frayed edge. It's totally stretchy. I only got a couple of them because sometimes when I've never ordered something before, I'll just get a few to see if I really like them and they're good quality. This is so cute. Very good quality. I'm definitely keeping one of these for myself. The one that sits, she's the worst. These are my favorite leggings. They lace up. I'm putting those on her. And then our best-selling t-shirt. And then this cute little ruffle sweater right here. I'm gonna go out there, I'm gonna change them up. I'm gonna try and make the window look more springy, springtime. And we'll just see if I pull it off. How's it going?
This is hard work.
Yeah, you're doing it. A quick before, I already took her wig off and one of her arms. There's the aftermath. So I totally went with a different outfit for her because I decided to put the sofa up there. And I want to gold leaf the legs, but I'll probably do that in place because I ain't taking it apart. It took, I don't even know how many hours, 2 hours. But she's cute. She's wearing our lemon sweatshirt and the pink floral barrel jeans. This one up here, she's got the cute cotton dress, our new super stretchy denim jacket. And then I love denim jackets with the brooches on them. So I put a bunch of our fun brooches that are totally affordable. Look at her cute brooches. The butterfly and the peacock, maybe Ellie can cut them in, and then that cute little pin that says art every day. She is such a brat, and that's putting it kindly. She gave me so many problems. This one too, but look at her cute sweater. I think we just have a couple of those left. And I have her hair pinned back with our butterfly clips. And I got her to hold this paintbrush for I don't know how long. And then we have these little shoe pretties. So this is done for now. Eventually I'm gonna have my dad like redo the whole base of the table. We need to paint that wall back there and put another support over there so we can hang another light. But I did it. At least our storefront windows are looking a lot more springtime right now. They could use a little tweaking, but I've got other stuff I gotta do. The new IOD release is coming out. I wanna get my dad to build up behind that screen door so we have like a little roof and we can hang stuff and put cute signs up there. But it's good for now, just like our non-mural. We just stopped at a yard sale on our way home from getting our toes painted. Danielle, what did we get?
We? You mean you? Oh, wow. Look, you got the tools that came with it. You got a toolbox.
An aqua tray from like the 60s, I think.
That's pretty cool.
That is. Usually they're not in that good of shape.
Yeah, that's really cool.
This pink bowl and this green kitchen scale. Our mom had one like that.
Yeah, it reminds me of Mom.
So I think we're going to IOD this and probably the bowl, maybe the tray. We'll list them on the website. If nobody buys them right away, then we'll IOD several of them. If we would have gotten here earlier, I have a feeling it was really good. We have what you need.
There's no one like you, my little girl. Your eyes so blue under those brown curls.
To find DIY paint in your area or to sell it in your store, click the link below. And to find all the products mentioned in this video, the link is below.
The world is yours, strike them with your glow. Go on now, be good, be fine. Live your life, dream big, don't forget to be kind. Live, it's your life. Rocks are meant to be picked up and thrown.